So I'm gonna go ahead and do one hand off camera, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how it went, and I'll also finish up the second hand on camera. Okay, so oh my gosh, I never did stiletto nails before. They were never really my thing, but I've been seeing stiletto nails often, and I just wanted to do this for the girls who do love it. So these are the tips. This is after I've applied this is, let me zoom in. This is after I applied the dip kit powder. Okay, so I couldn't do it, so I cut them down to like coffin, but I'm gonna cut these down a little bit more. I can't do it, y'all. I just can't. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this Kiss Dip kit, Kiss Dip nail kit. I don't know. This was only $8 or $9 in my local Dollar General, Walmart, Walgreens, that type of stuff. So when you break it down, basically this is the instructions. It comes with some nail tips, but we're not going to be using these today. I found some other ones from Shein. It comes with an extra brush because they do dry out. Comes with some activator just to set all of the product. Comes with the brush on gel glue and the actual dip powder. Another thing you're going to need is some nail files and nail clippers, but these are the nails that I'm going to be using today. They were $2 from Shein, and they're the stiletto nails. This is what they look like. It has a really nice point. This is for the girls that do like stiletto tips. So what I'm doing is going through and picking what nails are suitable for my fingers, picking out the sizes and things. And then you want to take this brush on nail glue once you're done picking that out, and you just want to apply it just like how you do any nail tip. Now I hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds, only because you want to make sure that this does not come up. Another thing that I didn't show is that I filed my actual nail, just buffed it out so that it'll have a grip, so it'll have something to stick to. Mommy issues. Okay, so I'm just doing this to my other fingers, and I'm holding it for about 15 to 20 seconds. And you know, I had a little bit of trouble on some parts, but this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just filing down the nail. You don't want to file your actual nail. You want to file the nail tip down because you don't want it to be bulky. So just file it down to be a little bit more thinner. And then I take this activator and I basically wipe it across where the nail and my nail meets, just to melt it in. You guys got to be really careful with this stuff. It actually, just like that. So yeah, so what I'm doing is just clipping the nails down now and matching it up to the other hand. But like I was saying, be really careful with this stuff because that's a DIY marble table that I did, and when that activator spilled on my table, it cleaned off the marble wherever it spilled. So just be really careful, and I actually did that 2 times. So now that they're all filed, I have this little top right here because when I do my dip powder, I need something to catch the powder, and you guys are going to see what I mean. So getting into the actual steps, the first thing you want to do is apply the brush on gel. This is going to be what locks in your actual powder. This is going to be what makes the acrylic vibe. So that dip powder, I'm not dipping my finger. You can dip your finger, but I think it's better just to pour it onto your fingers. And then I tap it off with my nail file, and you literally just let it sit like that. Like you guys see, I'm just transferring it back into the pot. And once I move on to the next hand with the brush on gel again, and I just pour it on there. It's so much easier to pour it. If you had a bigger tube, then you can dip it, it'd be no problem. But I'm just tapping off the excess again with that nail file. And I'm just doing this for all of my nails. So I end up doing this a total of 3 times, and it was super thick. Like, the acrylic was really not thick, but the acrylic was really hard. It really seemed like I actually went and got my nails done from the salon. Like, it was really thick. And I wanted my nails to be filed down a little bit more after this video, so I did go to the salon, and the lady actually told me that I did a really good job on my nails. So she filed them down and I actually had them painted at the salon. But anyways, this is the second coat, you guys, and I'm sorry for the blur and all that. I tried to get the best angle I could without a tripod, but you just want to do the same thing 3 times. I recommend you do it 3 times just to get a sturdy, just to get a hard nail. So now you want to take that activator. It says to brush on the activator after you apply all of your coats of the brush on gel, then the powder. I did that 3 times, then applied the activator. And you want to kind of be generous with this because this basically is setting everything. And I don't think I showed it, but after I clipped the nails, I filed them down to my liking. But after I did the acrylic, it needed to be filed again, so that's what I'm doing right here, just filing down the sides. And you guys know I have a baby, so that's why I went to the salon to get these cut down. After I put the acrylic, it was so hard for me to try to cut it down on my own, so that's why I went to the nail shop to have them cut it down with their tools. So after I file them, it does ask for you to add another layer of the activator, and then they want you to top it off with the brush on gel. This is going to give it that shine, and it's going to give it that that oomph, if you know what I mean. So just 1 coat of the brush on gel, and after that you'll be completely done. So after this, you can go ahead and polish your nails. Do whatever you want to do with your nails. Like I said, I went to the nail shop to get mine filed down, but they came out great, you guys. I highly recommend this. It's only $8 or $9. You don't have to go to a nail shop to do your nails. Save yourself some coins, sis. You guys see how well these turned out. This is my first time doing this, so I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys too. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.